Dreaming of becoming a doctor? Study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Ubasnya balang dhar usumbut menteri rangba kajala habakran kumukong san haka jingelang hadin ke jingpli ya ke yeng school jong Saint Jerome Higher Secondary School Nomensong haka khat sautari unailar arja arpun rio ulapen pau ke jing sokya halor ko kom long ka imlang salang namar bon sin kum ki kmi ki pa ki nong jong snong kipsim jingget khli banya trailang ban kentiu ya ka bahakamyan Ulaong bahabon ki kep layu I baki kime ki pa ki khuslai haba ki pa ya lagi khon ban wat ya ka jing nang jing stat batang syukeu ka bai nong skol labon ki bakol mar kan baki khon pat ki bat ki mobile ki baram dor ki basong dor palat silak tingka dak ba ai nuksa badan ka samla ka bahabrio ka bariam kum ka khon rus pa kawan pan jing rap na u na ka benta ka bai college ka ba khat san hajar tingka hendrai hakti pat ka bat ya ka mobile ka basong dor silak prapo hajar tingka Ubasnya bahalang uloong bakane kepen ngau kia ya u. Hakani ke jingalang play ya ke jing school lai don lang the most reverend Victor Lingdo, DD Archbishop ke Shillong Archdiocese, ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo MLA ke East Shillong, uba EL Hack MLA ke Pentorum Kra, ke Kong DTH Majau MDC ke Lajam Kra Malki, u Father Pascal Lingdo Parish Priest Nomensong, Father Patrick Hongwer Principal, Uba prang warjri rang basnong kinong elam ke school managing committee kinong hikai lem ki khana school uba snya phalang uloong ba ke sarkar kala bo hakmat ya ke puli puthi bat kentu pat ya ki bor penyat school ya ki me ki pa ban ai ki jinga trelang ban kentiu ya ka ula perturu ya ki school balang ki bada ke jingwan jongki ki wan ra ya ke jingkela bar ke jingkiu shakmat haka imlang salang Nolor kini ubasnya balang dhar kumunong song snong kanong mensong uloong budan ke jinga trailang baru MLA ke Pentorum Kra ke dorba snong na mensong hakabiya day bat ke project sam umbam ke badang don haka jinga lenti ban pentrai kam ya ka ban sam umbam haka snong borok away ya ketika yeng school latte na ke jinga rap menteri rangba ke jalau konrad ke sangma hadian bolawan jengo ya ke school house nam araja arpuar ringkat ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo ke balong kat san lang tingka nolor ke jingkersan pisano ba EL Hack ke Dr. Maisel Amperin lem na ke parish Ubak senyau balang ru haka dari sengi ulapan benar ban senyang cipau lak tingka ban sna ya ke yeng school haka phase 2
Ila menyerap silak arlak lailak saulak handai ke jingdon ke jongi bagi madam Amperin Bat Kashnong, bat Organizations Committee ni SMC. Kaji try sutong jopi mendinga runga langsung pula bang apa berkata kini kompon. Kalau kita dengar lera ngari try sutong tak jukot kata-kata download beli. Mendinga yo ala pendru mendinga dap dari sosorong don kom kini kepares organizations ke school senjau jogi. Isu tuhi ke school break ke basuk hamtam kum kini kerja school kejo mengikut ke tinong ke school fadar ni jauh. Nama kenong area bedol kini school himla benden kaji ustad bamla sudah. Ha constituency jungaran South Lake Paris, hajai tiada kapla Lake Paris. Nama I'm very much associated with the Balangat. Tengah tipu kini kecing long jong kini organisation, bedol kini organisation Karoy ke pahimla ka kyu ustad maka disiplin gaya rap ano ini karo dengan sautu ini ni pai sekali kecingnya balai ni kum school pin face ke problem kata by experience barang kikime kibaju ni kikwa bayaka ke school babah habiyo ke school babah mod don kamanyo ki good teachers Habagi ko ay good teachers kamon be able to pay high. But it's not easy for the parents to give such a high salary for those good teachers. Hanay nga ay perkajing niya ro ikino hikay jumi kat kum kilak tres ton makan school kat kyo ni por sa ko. Ka result ka bahanga ti barang man ka por ka school. Ni perpaw ko snow di snow bro ikino hikay ko ni nelon biyo ka pay day ka bahanga ki tres ton mat ni patsi. Kani kadai siya kata ka social work. Social activities, we are collectively responsibility. Namar kay ka problem jogi. Naringi kuwa man yo highly qualified in everything. You have to raise the school fees. And when we raise the school fees, we face allegations from different parents. That is the problem. Najukan ini kita dan repeat today. You know what is the problem with our dearest parent? Sometimes the school kapag kiyukundiyat, barok na ikulmaro. Hanay ngipat bonsin, nagbaburong, nga mention hani in general. But himle, ay nag school, you are difficult to get a good assets, you are difficult to get a good work, you are difficult to get a good result. Manse, kung may kwa pa niya gusto pa, you have to move it forward, you have to be target. And he kwa pa niya ka school kapag hamba, you have to risk to some extent. Pwede ka paburong na pipagkiuba sa kung takala yung sa sistem, lahat kita mabarang ka. Anay, magkikong job hibat kipat ka mobile, but silak siya tanggo eh. I'm very sure to say this. Don't go away with some lang na kudusi, nampak man siya na kudusi. Nandiyan tiya, wajan tiya. Kapabahab riyo nga. Hindi tayo kisantran ng ulong ni kata. Kapabahab riyo, pagkaryam, lukaryam pa, kawan ang office naman. Karena perubahan pendrok ya, they live like anything. Ang dasar subhang ako ay kedupat pi, ngawan pancing yarap, namar nga tip dia berubah pun bagau. Tak kalah rak nga belak ni sini. Tengah pekret apa tip ke ngan yok mentar ke samla. Kau dasar I know you are very kind. Ngati berubah paham hangal tip lu nabrok sen pideu pas unta pa yang ta. Ang keren ika kam ina mo. Barka bhavlu barka riem na gajin barka koks barka mo. Kau sar na wan sipingat wa ban panyarap kabay college. Na nang yo sumala sa ape yo ape sa. Tengah apa ku menong yalam malor ni ku nu kena panyarap haba kariem tito. Kariem galang kali ku ngkon dus pa. Ang kanodon kang kong kasama sa. Ngapain sih kadang gambar ke phone bersilat peraku macam. Tengah no, ang sorry namira pipi. Lu tak kat sawajar juga ibadah ke phone bersilat peraku macam. Kini baru we have to aware in our society, and no one can do it. Everyone can do it. Ngap sim ke responsibility, ngap sim ke jibikle. It become problem bonsel ke bila insya blame your government. Don't kelas sungu siya blame government, don't suruh siya blame government, don't tentang yalang samlaro siya blame government. Pioi belajar hari bisna berada. Tapi di baru we have to realize something. Ngimdai man ken berkaktin dari kaktin kamata dor gini lah ken kan bamu. Before you speak, you have to think. You have to put a set example for your society. Dan pilih lah makrajin tingkat buat society juga. How kesorkan disuruh don bantah kami hamil, don bantah kumi MLA, kumi MPC, kumi Romba Asnong, don bantah. Handai pak, don bantah yang suruh. Kiai kam jom kesorkan, kiai kam jom ke society, kiai kam jom ke school. Lagi suruh tangai ketangkan lap fitip pulung insarki upai pada sahaja. Lagi kum kinong yalam. Right from conditions, right to the society level. And in misleading society, we are not fit to be leaders of the state. And I won't say even the intellectual people, they are common with that. They are common with that. Hal jagah pun nyerap pun sekolah. Hal jagah we have to share the responsibility. Hal jagah we have to share the experiences. Kaya kirang bak yung. The mistake you make, you get experiences. But the experiences you gain, you decrease your mistake. When love in the society, you come down with Anton. Don't put your MLA, don't put your MPC. After all, we have to work together. Nama kanu kamu, ngimla penblim uwi. Come down ngikut ke MLA no yalam. We are here not to teach from the past. We are always correct for the past. Either from the past. Imla kalau kali kam kejong kita. We are here to correct things. We are here to improve things. We are here to help each other. We are here to teach the children or the students in the right directions. Baik kesorkan nale ayu education department. And only in day ngayaro kisah Republik Tiga. He's most senior than me in politics. He is like the blood. Mereka mengatakan dengan NDP dan government ngayaro kali. Yang dia tahu ya pi. Hakini ki pras na musiteng wala lay. Empat dan sordan betre kum ga MDA 1 komen. Enggak. Dari bikin agak surau, mending agak education, education sector, tourism sector, sport, every sector almost we touch maximum. Mending kenal cek lagi supaya do arah jahat sepak. Belum tak selagi. Kalau saya kata kalau ada persen labun macam private di sponsor. Minggu akan live up in education sector. Hari dan itu suatu buat kali sorkar sampai dan dimahikai pada saat tas menalai kadar baik. But we are trying our best. Habang gile kita pun government ngambut begini dulu. We are trying, whether right or wrong, the time will see. Lebih baik itu agar road sektor, hantam sport sektor, lebih baik tourism sektor, power every sektor. Lagay ka daw ang sa kaprang ng dagat kung budget. In a span of 8 years, namin atas kalay budget no. Because of what? Because of the open by the government. Kung kini baro, pihak song yung state kejawi. Pihak song naman pihak song. We should know what is right, what is wrong. Sumit tang tim sang tang sukan belak to wrong. No, problem is not on the road, problem is on in the assembly and in the office. There is still to say yes, there is still to say no. We just say bluntly no, we just say bluntly right, we are wrong. Nakatakan daw mulai nga mention mulai yang cekak padon ki father ke Paris Kupi. Baru kaki ulit, nak mana ni kata? Fact is facts. Ngapai tengah kondisi juga aplik Paris lah berkah korban orang ni. Tapi sekarang perlu sih dia. Lain mata binyawi. Ikanak gelap you naduk ke disiplin, naduk ke buruk ke mei, buruk ke ba, ke buruk mei kiran ba kosong. So nice, it was really wonderful. Dan ni kadai don kami pun membaca ke society. Yes, I know your problem. We know your problem. Kung berini bersang menyerapkan tolak, dek manusia kepala madam menyerapkan dek kampang ni berini ang berini sudah. Malah house name belum patah start mana yang sama si ben. Nama house name banjong undai besok.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.